So today's meditation is a fundamental mindfulness practice. What we did here was we practice slowing down with our breathing, slowing down our body, slowing down our mind, and we practice stopping. In our daily life, we are always rushed by the things we have to do, the family responsibilities, work duties, and even when we rest, we keep our mind busy with maybe our phone or TV. So here we call it a practice of slowing down, a practice of stopping, because as you have noticed during the meditation, our mind wanders because it's what the mind does, and we also train it to jump from one thing to another in our daily life, at work or the things we have to do and so forth. So we are trying to train our mind to slow down and to stop, and you can see it's not easy. So that's why we call it a practice. We practice just like we practice tennis or we practice some other activities, right? Here we practice slowing down, we practice stopping, and then our mind wanders and then we come back. So we practice again and again to slow down, to stop. We practice also arriving and feeling at ease in the present moment. And it's so normal as well to not feel comfortable there, because it's not something we do often. So we may feel agitated, restless. It's a normal experience. And so the more we practice, the more we can feel at home in our body, in the present moment, without doing anything. I feel like doing nothing is the hardest thing. It's because we build the habit of always doing something. We make restlessness stronger by keeping ourselves busy. And so again, in today's meditation, we practice slowing down, we practice stopping, but also we also practice relaxing. Relaxation is also a practice. We scan our body and we practice releasing tensions that often we are not aware that we have. So releasing tension, it's also a practice. We can become better at it. And finally, we also practiced gratitude, right? We often start our day and move through our day doing the things we have to do. And it's very rare that we take a moment to appreciate what we have. And having this sense of gratitude, of contentment for what we have, is a huge part of our sense of happiness, because our mind is always focused on things we want and that we don't have. But yet we have plenty of things to make us happy. And always chasing the thing that we don't have makes us feel restless. It makes us feel unsatisfied. And so stopping to appreciate what we have is a great way to nourish your sense of gratitude, to nourish your sense of happiness, and making stronger. So I hope you have enjoyed today's practice. And again, it's not easy to meditate and to stop and to focus. So take a moment to appreciate your effort despite the difficulties. And I'll see you next week for another practice. Take care, and also let me know how today's practice went. Thank you.